Hey, what is up? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog. We're going to go over just a head pose on this one. This one's going to be super simple. So if you really haven't drawn that much before, you should be able to do this. So let's hop right into the video. All right, let's jump right into drawing Shadow. So, I never drawn just his head before, so that's kind of what we're doing this, just his head, kind of on a side angle. I'm gonna go over here and draw a line out for the nose. Curve out the nose here, pulling in, and then curving in right there. It's kind of a little hot dog nose. Line down in here. Kind of like almost like a highlight, right? And I'm gonna fill in the bottom part, not the top. And I want that to look like a highlight right there. You can make it a circle too. You can literally just kind of do like a circle and fill in the rest. I just kind of did it all fancy for no reason. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve over the top of the nose, down over here, go over here to the bottom area, curve up, and then curve around the side here. Smile, curve, smile, and I still gonna smile even though that is Shadow. All right, let's go down into the eye area. That's gonna be furrowed brow right there as he's, tensing that area. Also, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button, okay? It says that 90% of you that watching right now are not subscribed, so absolutely hit that subscribe button. I post how to draw videos on different topics, every single topic you can imagine, every day. Like I post 3 every single day. That is a lot of videos. So if you do enjoy that stuff, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you find my stuff worth your time. So thank you. Let's pull it up over here. Everything about Shadow is very angular, where things about Sonic, they're a little bit more round, and that's kind of the thing I've noticed in the design language. Line over here, and I'm gonna go over here and pull down on this side. Line over, I'm gonna extend the line a little bit outward, and I'm gonna pull down because he has a discoloration. It's gonna be a little bit of a lighter line. There's a discoloration under his eye, almost like it's almost like the way rock stars wear like eyeshadow. That's kind of the way I see it. Line up here, out over here, up, out, and then we're gonna draw the far side eyeball over here. So over here I'm gonna draw a curve, okay? Curve over here. And down. Same thing, that wingtip area on the end. Gonna go over here, pull a line out for the brow, and I'm going to pull it up over here, down. You have that brow, right? Curve. Right there. All right, let's go over here for the eye. Right there, you can see the little peak of that eye right there. And on this side, you're gonna see the whole eye. Circle here, highlight, and I'm gonna fill in the center part of that eye. Over here, you're just gonna see the center portion. The iris, I'm sorry, yeah. The pupil, forgive me. The pupil's the black part, and the iris is the colored portion. Up over here, down for one ear. Over here, down. Alrighty. Let's go over here on this side. I'm gonna pull a line up into that spike, right? Down. Sorry, I'm like talking like that. Don't forget to hit that like button, by the way. That like absolutely helps out. That let me know what you want to see more on this page. A lot of people like that last Shadow video, so that's why I'm drawing this. Line over here, we're going to the other spike, and it's gonna pull upward like a fork. That's a very big difference between him and Sonic. Down over here, it's gonna pull back in. All right, let's go over here on this side, pull down, up, down, right? That same kind of like, I don't know, like hatchet shape. I'm not sure what to call it. Really interesting. Far side ear. Out over here, down. Over here, down. And I forgot, I'm gonna draw a line here above the eyes to make it look, you know, like there's a bump there. That's kind of what those lines are for. And then before anything else, he has this like, I don't know what you call it, like hair on his chest or something like that. So I'm gonna draw it over here. It's a good way to frame off the entire headpiece here. Down over here. And down there. All right, I'm gonna pull in this spike in here to, you know, vignette the head right there. All right, now I'm gonna go over here, pull down, pull back up, pull up over here for, it's gonna be the pattern that he has on his head. We're gonna color it, don't get me wrong, we will color it, but in the, you know, next part of this. I'm gonna go over here, same thing, down, over here, thinner lines, by the way, because thinner lines tend to, what that's for is good for color, and that's kind of like you want to indicate the color with a thinner line. Because if you did it just as thick, it would cause too much attention, in my opinion. And that, oh, I'm sorry, there's one more spike over here on this side. Out over here, there's like a spike out there on that side, and maybe draw a thin line right there. Really, really cool design. I really love Shadow. Great, great character. That's it. Stick around for the color portion. We're going to go into that right now, okay? It's going to be a speed drawing, speed coloring, so you will see it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, and hit that like, and also comment. I'd love to see your suggestions on what else we can go over how to draw. All right, let's jump into the color.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.